Here I have ULEFONE Armor 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to change ringtone on this device. So first of all, you have to open settings, then you have to go to the sound section, and then to the phone ringtone. Here you have the whole list of the pre-installed ringtones. You can also add your own ringtone by selecting here, and then you can select any MP3 file from your phone's storage and set it as a ringtone. As you can see, I don't have any ringtones, only the pre-installed ones, so let's listen to some of them. Such a nice ringtones, I'm surprised. This one slaps. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.